Once Agamemnon gets home, his wife, Clytemnestra, sets him up to be murdered by her and Aegisthus, her lover. And so why is it that she and Aegisthus kill Agamemnon? It's one of the pre-Iliad stories dealing with the Greeks setting out to go to Troy and fight the war and not being able to get favorable winds that enable them to sail to Troy. The Greeks found out that in order to get favorable winds, they need to sacrifice the daughter of Agamemnon and Clytemnestra. And Agamemnon does so against, obviously, the will of Clytemnestra. The subject matter of the Agamemnon, named after him, which itself is part of a trilogy called the Oresteia, named after Orestes, the son of Agamemnon, who gets revenge on Clytemnestra for killing Agamemnon, and that sets in motion a generational process of blood retribution